Hello and welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Java JDK on Windows 10 machine. JDK or Java Development Kit allows you to code and run Java programs. It's possible that you install multiple JDK versions on the same machine, but it's recommended that you install the latest version. If you want to check whether you have uh, JDK installed on your machine or not, you can do uh, cmd and open a command prompt and then type java dash version. And if you see this message that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, it means that Java is not installed. You can also do javac, which stands for Java compiler. So you will also see the same message, meaning that the Java compiler is not installed. So let's go through the steps that you need to do to install JDK on your machine. So first thing you need to do is go to the Google search engine and type Java JDK download, and then open this first link that says Java downloads on the Oracle website. On this page, at this moment of recording this video, you will see Java 18 and 17 available now. But if you see this video in the future, you might see Java version 19 or 20 or even 25. So I'm going to choose the latest version at this moment, which is Java 18. And then underneath, I'm going to choose the platform or the OS that I have. I do have a Windows machine, as you can see, so I'm going to click on Windows and then select the type of installer that I want to download. I want to download a Nemesis installer, but I can also download an exe installer or a compressed archive file. So let's click on the link that downloads a Nemesis installer, and if you click on it, you will have the download started. But I already have downloaded uh, this file and it's here under downloads, this one. So I'm going to double click on it or right click and run as or install. And the installation is going to start. Click next. Here on the screen, you can change or set the location where you want JDK to be installed. I'm going to leave it to default, which is C program files, Java, and then JDK. Click next, and the installation is going to start. User account control is going to prompt you to check whether you really want to install this application or this software on your machine. Click yes, and the installation is going to continue. When you see this message successfully installed, just click close to finish the installation. Now, if I go back to the command prompt and do Java version again, I'm still going to get Java is not recognized. And the reason for this is because I'm going to need to set some environment variables for this to work. And in order to set environment variables, go to the properties of this PC, then go to advanced system settings, then click on environment variables. And the first thing you are going to need to do here is set the path environment variables. So let's first go to the location where JDK is installed under Program Files, Java, and JDK. And let's copy the path to the bin folder and go back to the environment variables, select path, and then edit, and then new, and paste the path to the bin folder here. Click OK to save. Another environment variables that we are going to need is the class path variable. And the value for this variable is uh, the path to the lib folder under JDK installation folder. So let's copy that and paste it here and click OK. And another variable is the Java home variable, Java underscore home. And the value for this is the uh, root folder for the JDK path. So let's paste it here and do OK, and then click OK, and then click OK. Now if I do Java dash version, I'm still getting Java not recognized. So what I need to do is close this command prompt because I changed environment variables, then open it again, and it should load the new environment variables. Now if I do Java dash version, I'm going to get Java version 18. Also, if I do Java compiler version, it's going to say 18 as well. So this is it, guys. This is how you download JDK. This is how you install it and set environment variables for it. I hope that you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.